In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. That's how Genesis begins. Science calls it the Big Bang, an explosion of light from nothing. Genesis says, "Let there be light." Two different languages, one same beginning. The earth was formless, empty, dark. Then came light, then water. And modern science agrees early Earth was a chaotic, ocean-covered sphere with no land in sight, just as Genesis described long before telescopes or satellites. Then the land emerged, and with it, green life. Let the land produce vegetation, Genesis says. Science calls it photosynthesis, light meeting carbon to spark life. First plants, then sea creatures, then birds, then land animals. Strangely, that's the same sequence biology confirms through fossil records. Coincidence or divine foresight? Then came humanity. Let us make man in our image. And today we find DNA, a complex code inside every cell. For chemical letters, over 3 billion long, programmed perfectly. Not chaos, not random. Code, language, design. Genesis says we were made on purpose. Science now sees the fingerprints, but the story turns. We reached for the forbiddance. We gained knowledge but lost innocence. Today, we edit genes, build AI, travel space. Yet we still lie, still kill, still hide. Genesis calls it sin. Psychology calls it trauma. Same shadow, different name. Science explains how the universe works. Genesis explains why we exist in it. One reveals the mechanism, the other, the meaning. Together, they paint a fuller picture. Maybe Genesis was never against science. Maybe it was the world's first science story told in poetry, not equations. Not meant to compete, but to complete. Maybe science didn't disprove the Bible. Maybe, just maybe, it finally caught up.